Hi everyone, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to explain about entities and types of entities and how entities works and what are its roles and responsibilities and everything I'm going to explain in this video. So first we will see what is entities. In XML, entities are the way of representing an item of data within an XML document. Instead of using the data itself, these are meta characters used to denote XML tags. Entities allow to refer to other data and pages as shortcuts, so that declaring the same information in a document or a DTD is not necessary in entities. So we're gonna see the types of data. The first one is parsed data and unparsed entities, and general entities and parameter entities. In those things we have internal entities and external entities, predefined entities. First we will see parsed entity. An XML parser is a piece of software that reads XML files and makes the information from those files available to application. While reading an XML file, a parser checks the syntax for the format and reports any violation is happened in the file. Parsed entities contents are referred to its replacement text. This text is considered an internal part of the document, not the external part of it. So what are the unparsed entities? We're gonna see unparsed entities. An unparsed entity is a source. Those contents may or may not be texted, and if text, may not be an XML also. So the parser inserts a replacement text of a parser entity into the document whenever a reference to that entity occurs, or else it will not refer to it. The next one is general entities. General entities must be declared within the DTD before they can be used within a XML document. Instead of representing only a single character, general entities can represent characters, paragraphs, and even entire document. General entities are entities for use within the document content. General entities use the ampersand and semicolon for termination of the entity. And next we're gonna see about parameterized entities. And parameterized entity is an XML syntactic construct that allows a name to be given to a collection of elements, attributes, or attributes values also. And in this we're gonna see internal entities and external entities and predefined entities we're gonna see. Generally, internal entities are the entities which is more like a CSS, and we have to when we have to refer to the internal entities, if an entity definition is an entity value, the defined entity is called an external entity. Simple way we can say. There is no separate physical storage object, and the content of the entity is given in the declaration. Internal entities help avoiding misspelling and retyping of the same information. And CSS, when we use internal style sheet cascading, there are those used in the only for a single line. In the same way, it is internal entities. We can use it for only a single line of entity, and it is used whenever the data is simple. So next we're gonna see external entity. If the entity is not internal, then it is an external entity. It is used for replacement text that is generally long. The information that is kept in another file. So when we use external entities, we use whenever the document which is there, we need to edit, then we can go for external entity. And predefined entities. There are 5 predefined entities which are like angular bracket, greater than angular bracket, lesser than angular bracket, and ampersand, and a single quotation, like when we use for a character we use single quotation, right? That the same one, and the double quotes we use. These are the 5 predefined entities we use in XML entities. So thank you.